The Cedar Hills. This is the Cedar Hills from dito amo ang kapuy-an, mo na yang yuta kadako, mo na yang basketball court, gym nila, ilang church, auditorium, ang dako pa kayo ni, no? Si Pastor Matt Wilkerson ang ika-26 ka pastor aning Galilean Baptist Church. Siya ikakuan, igsuon siya ni John Wilkerson. Siya po iyang igsuon mo po nang ipuli kang Palmer Dr. Jack Hiles sa First Baptist Church in Jana. Kaning simbahan na gikan sa punini kang Rice, John Rice ana ugmad ani. John Rice. Oh, kadako ana. Tuwa mong katulgan dito. Oh, 60-70 US 67 highway from Dallas City, Texas. Okay? That my our car and that fellowship hall James Nation from one, and we go now for inside the house of God of Galilean Baptist Church. Parking, welcome, and then